One of the things that we're working on, like with vision, and again, working with blind spots or working with tracking, for those of you that are working with my laser program, one of the things to look at is, and now it's not included in the course, but to see how the smoothness of the video, the eyes can be, the vision can be. So one of the things we look at when we do vision, right, is we do one eye, right? So I'm right eye dominant. So my finger doesn't move when I cover this eye. But if I'm here, right, and cover the eye, the finger will move. You can do it this way, and you can see the movement. So you're not going to aim, where you're sitting there going like this and it's moving your target. But you still want to work with that. Like Felipe is pretty cool to work with because he's like ambidextrous in his eyes because he's a left-hander, but he pitches with his right hand. So his vision is actually pretty darn equal in both, but that's not too common. But one of the things to look at, like with me, if I go really close here, and you're seeing the movement of the eye, right? And going on here. Now, if I take the laser and I'm going to be working on it, and I'll hold it here just to show it more that I'm doing it. But you can see the vision can get smoother, much smoother with the laser on, right? Versus the laser off. Like even my hand movements are different here. And so what you're looking for when you're using the movement lesson laser, you're looking for increased movement. Now, I would do it more probably the laser at the pelvis. I don't do head work. And I don't know why Facebook's going yellow on me, but it is what it is. But this is what you're doing and working with it. And it's for those of you, again, that have the laser, it's another tool in your toolbox to get much smoother vision out of the person that you're working with. If you're interested, I'll put a link in because right now I'm doing, going to be talking about the laser a lot more again, and so I have a special going on about it that you can see. But that's something to add on to it. And again, I don't know why I'm going yellow, but it is what it is. It happened to me last week as well. I don't know why. It's a Facebook thing.